Hi guys, I was just here r- reading some comments and writing down the next video for you. And I stepped with one especially from Trina, and I really think that because really touched me in a moment that I wasn't sure if I should continue with this channel or not, because I have another one in Spanish that I am more over there. And also, like, I don't speak fluently English, right? But I try my best. So this make me remember something that one person told me once. Well, if you go and work in, I don't know, cashier, or in a bank, that will be not spiritual. You will lose spirituality. And I tell to that person, don't be so sure. You are special. Everyone is special doing whatever they do. Even if they go only to the gym or they walk, because you are a spirit with a body, not a body with a spirit. You are a spiritual person, no matter what you do. It's just your essence. You don't have to do really anything to be more spiritual than what you are right now. You are really special. There is no one over there like you. And that matters, really. If you doesn't exist, this world will not too. You are here breathing for a reason. If not, you will be not in this life, in this world. So don't let anything or anyone turn off that beautiful light that you are, that you all are. And like I say to my friends the other day, when you receive shadows in your life, like problems, don't turn off. Because if you go down, the shadows will win. The shadows will be joining to you and you with them. When the night comes, you should shine even more. And there will be no more shadows. The problems will not resist a vibration in that level. Try it, and we'll see you next time. See you.